So Ebonyi State could soon become one of Nigeria's biggest cement producers, and this one no be promise for campaign. No, they don't budget 150 billion naira for this biggest cement factory. Make I give you the full gist. Better news on land from Ebonyi State too. Governor Francis Nwifuru don announce say they won't build one brand new cement factory for Nkalagu instead of waiting forever to revive the old NIGERCEM factory wey don dey dormant for many years. According to the governor, after inspection with Chinese contractors dem discover say Nkalagu and Effium get about 73 million tons of limestone. That one means say the raw material dey enough to produce cement for at least the next 30 years. Now here the sweet part o. Governor Francis Nwifuru talk say this project no be politics, na part of im People's Charter of Needs agenda to industrialize Ebonyi State, to create thousands of jobs, boost businesses, and even help reduce the cost of cement and building materials, not just for Ebonyi people, but for the entire southeast of Nigeria. And to show say dem dey very serious, the state government don already set aside 150 billion naira. I no talk million o, 150 billion naira inside the 2026 budget for the project. The governor also praised Anambra State Governor Professor Chukwuma Soludo for showing interest in bringing back the old NIGERCEM plant. But as that process still dey face challenges, Ebonyi no wan waste time again. They don decide say make dem build a fresh modern cement factory from scratch. One member of the governor's economic team, Engineer Benjamin Oka, don also describe the project as one major step wey fit transform Ebonyi economy, attract investors, create employment, and open plenty business opportunities dem.
You know, the NIGERCEM has been out of order for a long time, very moribund and abandoned to rats and rabbits for close to 20 years. In fact, the place has been vandalized by thieves. They filed all through. So it's not working. And actually, it occurred in 1996. That's about 20 years ago, right? And trying to reupdate the old NIGERCEM, the old factory, is not feasible because it's a very old technology. So we are in contact with one of the best companies in the world that fabricate equipment to build a cement factory. It is well acknowledged that Nigeria is growing in construction. You know, Nigeria is growing so much in construction today, and the cement factories that are working cannot even deliver the required quantity of cement at affordable price. So Ebonyi State has large deposits of limestone all over the state, particularly in the central and in the other central zones. So building the NIGERCEM has not precluded building another cement factory in Ebonyi State, particularly in Ebonyi local government. You understand? So the government did not foreclose a second factory. The other cement factory is already bad and vandalized and out of date. The only thing that can be used there is the shelter, which can be used for shade and the storage. The equipment are no longer, it's no longer possible to use the equipment because they're obsolete.
If this project succeeds as planned, Nkalagu fit become one of Nigeria's biggest industrial hubs, and Ebonyi economy fit witness a massive turnaround. So wetin be your own take? You feel say na wise decision to build another cement factory from the scratch, or they suppose rejuvenate and revive the old NIGERCEM factory? Which one be your take? Do you think this new cement factory go finally change the story of Nkalagu and boost Ebonyi's economy, or na another government's promise wey time go tell? Drop your opinion for the comment section. Now we discuss am.
These are the part of the project we believe we must execute. I want to tell you that we are committed, we're open, we are very much proactive. We're also willing to talk to Ibeto too And we have set up a committee to talk to him. The committee have been discussing with him for quite 3 years now. That has delayed us because we want to carry everybody along. We've seen that it's only us that can reactivate this place.
That's right.
Even when people believe that investors will help us, they will support us. But we also believe that it's when somebody see what you are doing for yourself and find out that you are competent, you have the capacity to develop yourself, that the person can support you. Before us here are not investors. They are contractors, they are manufacturers. They have what it takes to develop this place. We've seen a lot of factories they've built. Cement factories bigger than this one. And we decided to get them here to look at this place. They will also see the limestone, because these are the reasons why they are here. We will hand over this place as a completed project. They have told me they put it in writing. But if we've been able to fund it, that even if they are starting the project at a brand new one, they will hand over within 24 months. Yes. That is what they told me. And I agree with them. And I say state will go extra mile to make sure we give them the necessary resources to start this project. We're in a serious business. Yes. It's not all about politics, it's not about talking, it's not about making promises. We will take them to where they will get the limestone, because what they are doing here now is fact finding. My own play with all of you is to play with those people that are trying to stop us from doing this project. Beg them, especially because if we miss this period, it's going to be very difficult. Yeah. Because we must put up a cement factory here. And as long as we have the raw material, we must do everything, because we are looking for employment for our people.
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah, we are seeking for job. Everybody is talking about job opportunities. If we've been able to put a factory, a very big industry like this, it will take a lot of people, it will give a lot of people jobs.
Exactly.
As we were coming to, I saw a lot of buildings. And I told Opa, I said, look, because I was in the same vehicle with you. If we start up this place, all these buildings will be reactivated and renovated. Yes. And then so many people will start benefiting again.
Exactly.
Ebonyi State is on the rise. We are the sword and we bring the flame.
Our dear distinguished leaders, the youth leaders, we've seen the limestone, and the good thing is that we have very experienced experts that are here, and they have made true decisions, and those decisions have been given to us. Number one is that the quantity of the material they have here within 16 kilometers radius is about 15 million tons. And the good thing is that they have about 23 million tons within Effium. And they say that Effium to this place is still a very good vicinity. Another observation they raised is that from the factory to the tail end of the limestone is about 16 kilometers. And with their investigation, you find out that the factory, the NIGERCEM itself, is no more useful completely. That the model has changed, and there is nothing they can use at the NIGERCEM factory. But the good thing is that we are talking about the easiest way of transportation of the raw materials. And they said that since the raw materials are far from the factory too, there is no need of demolishing anything at the factory and starting a new construction there, because since you're not going to use anything there, that it's better for them to move up to this side, where within 5 kilometers, where they can have a conveying belt to the factory from the raw materials. So we agreed and we asked them questions. They say yes, that the quality and the quantity of the materials here is enough to start a new factory here. Now, again, they say that they've also studied it and find out that they have about 20 layers here. And all the 20 layers are perfectly okay within 60 meters. Within 60 meters down. And that is what they can dig within 60. They can dig up to 60 meters down. That they still have raw materials after 60 meters. But that we need more equipment for excavation. So we have hope that modern equipment as they are going on will be coming and they may dig more than 60 meters down. So our prayer now is for us to get funds and also to discuss with them. We believe that the will of God will definitely happen. And if God says we will develop this place, we will develop it. It is not because I have a personal interest. My interest is the interest of the state. And it's even better for me. It's even better for me to start a new factory in the different place than believing that we have a factory that is totally moribund and very, very dilapidated and outdated. So at this point in time, we give thanks to God, believing that all things being equal, we'll be able to achieve our aim. Thank you very much.